Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete. Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2025 Zontes 703F Enduro. It's not just a bike. It's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. This video shows how to remove the steering lock mechanism, then replace the steering lock mechanism. It's a training video with English subtitles that the dealers can refer to, if needed. While you watch the video, I will give you some tantalizing facts to whet your appetite regarding this amazing machine. The Zontes 703F is a game-changer in the adventure bike segment, packing cutting-edge technology and thrilling performance into a sleek, aggressive design. Here's an electrifying overview. Zontes 703F, the future of adventure riding. 699 cubic centimeters inline triple-cylinder engine, delivering 97 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 76 Newton-meters of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. 6-speed transmission with a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. 120-degree crank angle ensures a smooth, balanced ride. Cast aluminium twin spar frame, lightweight yet incredibly strong. One-piece cast aluminium swing arm and subframe for superior durability. Marzocchi adjustable suspension compression and rebound damping for ultimate control. Dual 310mm brake discs with J1 4-piston calipers for precision braking. 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wire spoke wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. Electrically adjustable windscreen for on-the-fly adaptability. Built-in front and rear dash cams to capture every ride. Keyless ignition and electronic fuel filler cap for effortless access. 8-inch color TFT display with advanced connectivity. Automatic headlights and cornering lights for enhanced visibility. Traction control and ABS for superior safety. This beast is built for riders who demand power, precision, and innovation. Whether carving through twisty roads or conquering rugged terrain, the Zontes 703F is ready to dominate. Stay tuned to Zontes Maintenance Hub. Our comprehensive video tutorials will guide you step by step through essential maintenance tasks. From routine oil changes and brake checks to advanced repairs, we've got you covered. Enhance your bike's performance and longevity with expert tips and tricks. Subscribe now for all the best on Zontes motorbike care. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. Until next time, Mad Mick.